Well, this definitely worked out to be a good decision. So I had my charger going, connected up to my solar charger right there, that thing, battery bank, and decided to go ahead and charge the packs while I was on my way to the skate park. We're here, but unfortunately it is kind of drizzling a little bit, which makes it a pain in the neck for these GoPros because the lens can get rain on it. So what I'm going to try is throwing this on my head and then put the hood over, see if that works. Not sure if that's gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a shot because, like I've said before, these are the perfect times to be at a skate park. No one's gonna be here. No one's gonna be here except for me. So, yeah, I'm here. Almost like the GoPro needs like a thing. The GoPro needs like a helmet. See? Do something like that. GoPro helmet. I don't know if that's even working. You see what I'm saying? GoPro helmet. Oh man, I'm gonna give it a shot. It's probably muffled. That's probably one of the issues, but give it a shot. It looks like these battery packs are pretty much done. That one pack is just marinating a little bit, but we're here. Imagine if I didn't bring the remote. Oh, I better have. I think I did. So I'm gonna check the thing here. I'm gonna log into the quick. The quick that's slow to get to. Where is it? Quick, get to the quick guy. I don't have quick on my phone. That doesn't make any sense. What? Oh, there it is. All right. Got the quick. I got the remote. Nice. There's already a battery in it. So maybe later. And take this, put it over there. Put this over there. Grab the car. What I'm trying to see is how well this is doing. GoPro looks like it's out of the thing. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, so GoPro. Oh, it looks like they changed some stuff. Connect your camera. What? Searching for camera. No, this isn't what I'm looking for. GoPro. GoPro has footage. What is it? Oh, Bluetooth ain't on? No, it's on. What the heck? Can't find it. No black. Can't find it. Can't find it. There we go. Oh, it won't do it. It won't do the preview. All right, well, just gonna have to chance it. Mode on. And the switch for the car is on this side, right? Yeah, right here somewhere, right? One, two, three. Oh, this thing looks like a beast. Alright. Should be good. Slippery concrete. It's a little slap heavy. Oh. Ah, crap. Suppose it was inevitable. Oh no! Oh no! Serious? One of the tires came unglued. Come on! Are you serious? There's no way. Oh my God. The stupid tire came unglued, guy. Oh, what the hell? Dang. Crap. Oh, I can't believe the stupid tire came unglued. Come on, guy. What the heck? Good thing this is only on 3S. Oh, okay. Thought I lost a little Arrma thing. Whoops. Ah, man, I can't believe the tire came unglued. Woo! This thing is ripping. mean to do that. Oh, I totally didn't mean to do that. Ugh, crap. Am I even going to be able to get out of this bowl? Being soaking wet, guy, I don't know. Guy might be stuck in the bowl. Have to call the fire department. Whoa. All right, let's see, can Guy get out of the wet bowl? Gonna get a running start here. Holy crap, ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go. Oh, wow, huh? Guy's not as fat as he thought. I feel like I want to launch it, but I'm scared. I don't want to hurt this thing, but I want to see how it does. Damn! Not gonna do that much, man, but you can hear the gear that got nailed by the sparks. Every once in a while, it hits on it. Oh! It's liking these tires. I'm gonna do the long jump. See what we got. Absolutely flat. Absolutely stinking flat. Wow. Mint. I gotta look at this camera just for a sec. See if it's all... Oh, it's mint. All right. I wasn't sure. Wasn't sure if it was gonna be looking good or what. Seems like it's mint. Absolutely flat, dude. Couldn't get any flatter. Curious to know, what would it get here? This is like an angled jump. It's a long jump. Right to the pole. Gotta be careful with that one. Right to, well, almost to that pole. I'm gonna check the wheels, make sure we're still tight here. Tight. 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 Wow. Dang. Absolutely beautiful. Flat landings. Wow. I'm actually shocked. I mean, should I be shocked? No, I don't think so, I guess. I feel like I should be. I'm gonna change the frame rate. All right, so now I'm at 1080, 120 frames per second. So, should be able to catch this thing getting some air. Oh, that was a dig. I didn't mean to do it like that. Misjudged the brake a little bit. Shouldn't have even touched nothing, man. Thing just flies. Don't even need to touch a damn thing. literally just let the controller go. How does it land so perfect? Absolute perfect landings. Had to touch a little bit of throttle. Even with that one tire coming unglued. Little touch of throttle. Ah, I just put dirt in the thing. Oh, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go for the long jump. Well, went a little off. Went a little off. Went a little off the long jump. Try it again. Absolutely perfect, perfect landings, man. This thing is mint. I mean, I liked this thing before. Now I like it even more. Oh, that's a jump. So it's from here? Backside? Oh, but that's on pavement. Nope. Not liking that. Let's try it again. Oh, crap. Oh, I got it stuck. Got it stuck. Poor thing. Sorry, sorry. Oh, that's it. Low cut. Dang. All right. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby at all. Wow. The way this thing flies, the way it floats, these tires, man, this kind of just turned it into a basher. Now, I can't wait to take it over to maybe like Diamond Dust. With these tires, man, I think this thing is going to perform. I really wish I could use it on a BMX track. That would be cool. So, yeah, I ain't done, man. Yeah, I ain't done. I'm cold, but this is a blast. So, anyways, this is RC Guy Garage. This is RC Guy Garage. I'm out here with the Hobao Hyper VS2, and this thing is ripping it on Arrma. What is it? Fortress tires? So the D-Boots Fortress tires that came off of my Mojave. Damn, does that thing look slick, man? Look at that thing. That thing looks mint. So I'm out. I'm out. What are you doing today? The only thing I didn't want to do is I didn't want to bring my wet, dirty, oh, God. Yeah, that's what I didn't want. Oh, man. Oh!
What disaster!